Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to fix LinkedIn verification code not received. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you try logging into your LinkedIn account and TGE verification code is not coming, then follow these steps to solve the problem. Go to your device settings. Scroll down to app settings. Search for LinkedIn. Enter the application settings. Scroll down to permissions. Toggle on the permissions for call and SMS for the LinkedIn application. Now open the LinkedIn app. Enter your login details and request code. You will receive the verification code or call to verify your login. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.